So earlier we have understand about the Power BI services and Power BI desktop application. Okay, let us jump to the screen and let me give you the understanding more in detail. So we have created our whole report. Left hand side the pages are there. What are the pages or what are the visuals we have generated? But in all the visuals, if you thought that these visuals will be very helpful for me, at that time what you are going to do, you want to have your own visuals from this number of visuals. So let us assume that you are only working with distinct customers. How to do it? Just click this distinct customer and click on the pin visual. Okay, so one pop-up is coming up. We are going to create one new dashboard, or you can select as a existing dashboard. Currently I have created one as a trial name. You can create a new and you can give your name too. Just click that. Okay, and if I click on the go to dashboard, see, our trial is coming up over here. Actually, earlier I have added some another thing. On the left hand side, you can see this is added own visuals. Now let us again go back to the superstore and let us add some more visuals, whatever you want to like it. Let's assume that yes, you like this. Just click here. I want to add on the same and click on the pin. Just close it. Again, I want to have this donut chart also. I am clicking here on the pin button. Yes, on the trial I want to add as a pin. Okay, now if I go in the trial, there are all the visuals are available. I can work it anywhere, like if you want to have like this and like this way, like you want to have a donut chart first, then after this figure and distinct customer you want to have it over here. So this is more interactive kind. You can ask anything over here, like Q&A sessions if you want to do it with your team. If you want to share this your own visuals to the team, you can share it. You can have a save a copy, or here from the manage permissions you can define the particular person who want to have only particular permission to view and edit and rearrange it and all. So that kind of things you can do it from here. So this is the basic thing which I have generated with the help of the superstore. Now let's assume that you have multiple. Let me open my workspace. Here it is my workspace, and here in the my workspace I have another crash course related Power BI report. Okay, I am clicking over here, and from this Power BI another report, I want to have this as my pin under my this visual I want to have under my trial dashboard. So I am clicking on the pin. Now this trial will help me to generate two Power BI reports, two dashboards at one single place based on my requirement. So this will be very helpful. This is called as a workspace. You can create your own workspace and you can share it among your team. You can have your permissions. So likewise, I hope this is clear to you. And that's it for now. I hope you have enjoyed this all the lecture series. If you have query again and again, I'm asking, you can always ask me anytime.